In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your taxes for DoorDash using TurboTax. Filing taxes as a gig worker can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with TurboTax, the process is streamlined and user-friendly. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to TurboTax online for the 2025 tax year. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But if you filed with them in the past, go ahead and log in with your existing credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Next, direct your attention to the Income section. Clicking on this will guide you to the necessary forms and summaries related to your income for the year. This is where we'll start inputting your earnings from DoorDash. After you click on Income, look for the Wages and Income Summary. This area provides an overview of all the income you've reported so far. Since DoorDash income falls under self-employment, we'll need to delve a bit deeper, so let's move on to the next section. From the Wages and Income Summary, you're going to click on Self-Employment. This is crucial because as a DoorDash driver, you are considered self-employed. Essentially, this section is designed to help you report your earnings and expenses accurately. Remember, you'll need to have your 1099 form handy, as it outlines your total earnings from DoorDash for the year. Once you're in the self-employment area, look for an option that says Revisit or Start. By clicking on this, TurboTax will guide you through a series of prompts specifically tailored for self-employed individuals. These prompts will help you fill in the necessary information about your DoorDash income and any related expenses you might have. As you go through these prompts, TurboTax will ask about your expenses, such as mileage, phone bills, or any other costs incurred while working for DoorDash. Be sure to have records of these expenses ready, as they can significantly reduce your taxable income. TurboTax makes it simple by calculating deductions for you, thereby potentially lowering the amount of taxes you owe. Once you've completed all the prompts and reviewed your information, TurboTax will provide you with a summary. It's a good idea to go over this summary to ensure everything is accurate. If everything looks correct, you can then proceed to file your taxes directly through TurboTax. And that's it! With these steps, you should be able to file your DoorDash taxes easily. Remember, keeping organized records throughout the year can make this process even smoother. Thank you for watching, and happy tax filing!